Welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to talk about Samsung Tab S10, which is going to beat iPad Pro according to its leaks. So let's start the video. The successors to the Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 series of tablets shouldn't be too far off now, and a new leak gives us our first indication of the device models that are being prepared to take on the best iPads that Apple has to offer. This leak comes courtesy of Android headlines. Model numbers have now surfaced, which apparently point to the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus and the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, which are both set to be launched internationally, as you would expect. We don't get any mention here of a standard Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, but that may well be because the tablet is still in an early stage of development. There's little doubt that a basic version of the tablet will be making an appearance too. And that's just about everything we can glean from this particular leak. It doesn't tell us much, but it's something, and it shows that work is underway to offer Android alternatives to the new Apple iPad Air 13-inch 2024 and iPad Pro 13-inch 2024. Tablet devices, whether they're manufactured by Samsung, Apple, or anyone else, don't tend to be launched as regularly as smartphones, which makes it difficult to predict when we might actually see the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 series. The Tab S9 tablets, including the 14.6-inch Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, were officially unveiled in August 2023. The previous Galaxy Tab S8 lineup made its debut in February 2022, which means a gap of around 18 months. If we have to wait 18 months again, then we're looking at February 2025 for the arrival of the Galaxy Tab S10, S10 Plus, and S10 Ultra. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel 99 Reviews, and I will see you in the next one.